how Papa's Bakery is able to place all our orders and execute it for 98 stores. Did you know that they actually deliver to a lot of Texas chain stores, including Dallas and San Antonio, and actually Phoenix and Chicago? So my name is Jessica, and I'm going to tell you how that's going to work, starting with staffing, then production, followed by organization. So first things first, they have a very small crew. It's going to be about 40 people. They work all 7 days a week. They're never closed. They're actually closed open from 6 a.m. till 10 p.m. There's actually only one bakery that delivers to all 98 of our concepts, which include Yaya Mary's, Papa's Barbecue, Papa Dough, and much more. So with that being said, the first crew comes in from 6 p.m. till 2 a.m. What they do is they set up the prep for the night crew. They complete the mixes and the creams, and that would be executing in high amounts. Following that, the 2 p.m. to 10 a.m. crew, they finish off. They finish off, and they package and they set off for delivery for the stores for the next morning. Following that is production. So they use these machines that allow them to produce in high quantities. These are actually from Papa's Bakery. This is actually one of the mixers, and this is one of the ovens. This is the biggest oven that they have, and they can produce up to 300 vanilla cheesecakes in that one container. So, and part of this includes as well order accuracies, starting from them. They order from Cisco just like we do, and part of our excellence has to do with always having fresh ingredients on the spot, including fresh berries, fresh limes for the key lime pies, as well as flour at hand and all that stuff. But you also have to keep in mind that what they want to accomplish is profits, and that would mean trying to stay, having everything lean, and having enough to still be able to deplete and have minimum ingredients within the building. Some of the things that go along with production is forecasting. Forecasting would include seeing whether it's the holiday season, whether we're having promotions, or also if it's going to be a busy banquet season. Banquets usually mean that there are large parties who decide to celebrate with us, and it could include weddings, receptions, or just like a nice football game. In addition to that, the last thing is keeping everything organized. Organization and consistency are really key. So just like our individual store orders twice from the bakery, they also order twice from Cisco. So our precision with our forecasting and our ordering has to be on point. The way that they keep these things organized is every day they have their own checklist. This checklist shows you what they're going to be producing, and this would be for the 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. crew. And basically what they do is they produce usually about 8, for this is Thursday, and they actually produce 86 vanilla cheesecakes, 192 pecan pies, and 30 buffalo pies. Then the last thing is just they set it up and they end up packaging it, having it ready, and then your end result will be this key lime pie at the concert that you decide to go to. And with that being said, I want to thank you guys for being a part of my audience, and thanks again for coming and tuning in.
Clap. Yay!